Subscribe, like, and turn on noties. Make sure to follow all my socials linked in the description. If you want to get to know me a little more, go check out my website. It shows everything I've done with technology and the things I've created. Anyways, back to the video. What is up, guys? Welcome back to another one, and I hope you guys are doing okay. Let's get started. So it's been a while, like a while since I gave you guys a weekly update of my Python Essentials. I know I'm still. You're probably wondering, wow, Aiden, you're still working on that? What a bomb! Well, you see, when I took that final exam and failed it by 4%, that did break me down. So I've been taking precautions, going over every possible answer by different meaning. What I mean by that is going over and having it explained in a different way, being taught in a different way, having a different format, different questions, different wording, stuff like that. And that's what that means. Now it's time to show you what I've been working on. So these are from my teacher, Mr. Lang. These are from the website, from Python Essentials and their org. And basically it's just file 1, file 2, 3, file 4, and it's everything in a document. And so what we've been doing with that document is going to ChatGPT, copy and pasting it, and then ChatGPT then giving me answers so I could, you know, do it. So if we scroll way down. So in the very beginning, I did not want to answer the question because I wanted to see if ChatGPT can. You're probably, why do you want ChatGPT to do it? Well, you see, if ChatGPT can answer them like a normal human, then I would want to see how it's input. But I was like, this is not gonna work because that's AI. But instead, I didn't want to like type the answers because I kind of wasn't feeling good. So I just had ChatGPT do it, answer them. Then I would just go back when he's done and just read it, take my guess, got it wrong, and then it would explain it. It took ChatGPT a while to understand what I meant. See, this is what I was doing. Didn't really explain it that well enough. So once we got a little further down to about past section 2, exam 2, I started answering them. Question 1. C. Okay. So I put C, but I guess I need to read with the purpose. What it wanted me to. Yeah, so I need to read with the purpose. For the question 1, I thought it was. I just picking an answer, so I picked C, but it wasn't right. It wanted me to put it in order, which I didn't know that. I should have. So then, when that came back again, I did it again. And then, and then, eventually, ChatGPT started to slowly understand the format. You're probably wondering, where did all my chats go? Well, on the web version, I noticed it got a little glitchy, and so I really did not no, I didn't know what to do. So I thought, okay, maybe I have too many chats. So I went through and deleted all my chats. Well, I didn't delete every single one. I just factory reset it. So it didn't save anything. But yeah, I sort of copied and pasted the format I had it did in like week 19, week 18, or week 20. But anyways, here's me just doing some more. ChatGPT still doesn't know my format, and it's still trying to understand. And if we go way, way, way down, talking down a ways, we'll get there in a sec. Chat, yeah, once we get down to a ways, Chat, ChatGPT starts to understand what I am meaning of it. I think we're getting there. No, one pass slowly, but yeah. So here we go. I start to get into the actual thing. Option three, select two. It's trying to recognize what I'm having it do, and so same thing, continuing to go down. I start to answer, tells me if it's right or wrong. If it's not, same thing. And I guess ChatGPT is getting a little confused because it's giving uh not as many questions, but I'm still working on it to fix and evaluate. Um, Starting this week, I'm gonna have ChatGPT be giving me all four exams, me answering uh like normal or something along those lines. I haven't really decided. And then I had to go. For now we're back, starting to get the now that I got the format down. ChatGPT is starting to once again recognize the format. So we just kept trial. It was basically in simple terms. It was just trial and error, trial and error, trial and error. So once we had the format down, finally, ChatGPT started to recognize. So here we go, exam one. So it gave me the option, pick the answer correct, gave me the option, gave me the question and answer, type my answer correct, gave me the question and answer correct, and then correct. And then if I got it wrong, it would tell me what I got wrong. Oh yeah, I think if I'm not mistaken, it did tell me. Yeah, it did. Even if I got it right, it still told me. So we're still going down, still going down. Yeah, I have it broken up into 50-50, so it'll be easier to recognize because I think that's the best route. And then after that, as you can see, exam block one, round one results, correct, 8 out of 10, score 80%, but that's doing 50-50. Now Python. Now this is moving to round two, three answers, so 33.3% chance. So still going, answering questions. Well, I said pause, and then I only said pause here because I only been focusing on round one and two, but then I switched it up, just mostly focus on round three and four because I got the files that I needed. So, anyways, still doing it. So we're just answering same thing. Now three and four. Well, this is three. It's answering. It's telling me the same format. Everything like that. Scroll down. It's not giving me as much questions because I didn't really tell it how much questions I want. So as you can see, exam block one, Round three. Oh, yeah. Sorry, I'm getting a little confused because it's so long that I just keep on adding and adding. I thought, yeah, I think, yeah, here we go. It's so long that I get mixed up with Switch, so I'll be having it starting again this week. This week we plan on uh well, this week is challenging because we have my school has statewide testing, so it's gonna be difficult. But we plan getting the I wanted to get the certification all the way next week. So yeah. But things might get in the way, but I am trying to multitask, get this done, and work on other things in my school life. But anyways, this is pretty much what's been going on, what I've been doing for the last month or so. Scroll down, tells me information and things I need to improve on, things I guess I did not. Oh wait, I think I'm starting to. Yeah, I'm starting to focus on exam three a little more, then also again exam four. You guys are probably noticing me stumbling a lot. It's mostly because I've been getting lost during this. So like it's so I know I've been mentioning the same thing, but like the chat is so long and it's so wonky that it's hard to explain and show you because I've the chat is so long. I don't know if you guys saw this little knob. This is where we're at. This is where how long it is. So yeah, it's just getting longer and longer. Oh, it's getting hard to like know where everything is. So once we get to the bottom, which is here, there's a final result. This is probably all of them combined, maybe. Not quite sure, but yeah, starting tomorrow, we'll be back on that grind and also dealing with state testing. But like I said, I hope to get this done next week and out of the way so I can work on other things in my uh time as a sophomore. Not sophomore, as a junior. Anyways, thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out my website where you can see all the things I've done that are very important to me. And make sure to check out each page individually. I update it every month. If you want to see last week's video, click the one on top. If you want to see my documentary, click the one on the bottom. See you guys next time.